Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming core settings so notifications can arrive. Open WhatsApp and set message and group notifications to enabled. This ensures the app will attempt to notify you. Once done, go to Android settings and disable battery optimization for WhatsApp and allow auto start. Otherwise, the system may stall background delivery. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and your system notification channel volume is audible. This eliminates common silencing culprits before deeper fixes. Next, you handle permissions and connectivity because many failures hide there. Open App Info and confirm notification permission is allowed, and background restrictions are off so WhatsApp can run in background. Force stop the app and clear cache to remove corrupted temporary files, but do not clear data unless you have a backup. Then test on both Wi-Fi and mobile data and temporarily disable VPN or data saver. These can block push traffic. After changing settings, restart the phone to apply network and background changes. To finish, update or reinstall WhatsApp to reset deeper app issues. Restore your backup after reinstall if needed. Make sure Google Play Services is up to date because push notifications rely on it. Likewise, install any pending Android updates to fix system bugs. Once reinstalled, open WhatsApp and send test messages from another account. If notifications still fail, try your account on another device and collect a support log. This helps pinpoint whether it's account, device, or network related and guides further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.